In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a blog post from your website dashboard in Chrome. To begin, open the Pages or Website section where your site layout and content structure are organized. You'll want to look for the area that shows your page and collection list, usually displayed in a sidebar or panel. From there, find your main blog collection. This is the section where all of your blog content lives, and it's typically marked with a small page or content style icon to help identify it quickly. Once you spot it, click into that blog collection so you can access your list of existing posts. Next, head to the upper right area of the blog post dashboard and click the plus icon to create a new entry. This will open a fresh post for you to work on. In the title field, labeled Blog Post Title, type in your main headline. Make sure this title clearly reflects the topic of your article, since it will usually be the first thing visitors notice. After that, click into the main paragraph editing area just below the title. This is where you'll build the body of your blog post. You can start by writing your introduction, then continue adding the rest of your content in sections that are easy to read and understand. If your editor supports content blocks or modules, you can also insert additional elements at the cursor position, such as images, graphics, icons, or even video embeds. This is a good way to make your post more engaging and visually balanced, especially if you're explaining something step by step. Once your main content is in place, open the settings area by clicking the gear icon or selecting settings from the top menu. Here, you can fine-tune important details for your post, add category labels and tags to help organize the article, assign relevant topic keywords so it's easier to sort and find later, and upload a custom square thumbnail image that will represent the post in your blog collection. You should also review and edit the SEO title and search description field so your post is better optimized for search engines and looks polished when shared or indexed. Finally, open the status dropdown in the top menu and choose how you want to save or release the post. Select Publish if you want it to go live right away. If you'd rather post it later, choose Schedule and set the date and time. Or, if the article still needs work, choose Save to keep it as a draft. After making your